were important peaked, and it's estimated that we're going to need shipments every 2 weeks to address the situation, and we'll need that for the next 10 years. So there is no alternative available, and we're hoping that this piece of common sense legislation will address the urgent situation that the horticultural sector find themselves in currently. There's 17,000 jobs involved in the horticultural sector, and that's true, and most of them were located in rural Ireland where it's difficult to get jobs at the outset. And it was coming from County Monaghan, we're uniquely aware of that situation. Mushroom industry is hugely important to our local economy. It's estimated 3,600 people are employed via the mushroom industry, and it's worth €60 million annually to the local economy of Cavan and Monaghan. So this is an urgent situation that requires an urgent response, and we're hoping that the legislation we're introducing on the floor this afternoon will go some way to finding a solution.